Die Here Jesus Christus sê, hy wat hulle gemaak het hulle van die begin af man en vrou gemaak.
Sunrise through the window pane, you're stirring in your sleep. I'll watch you for a moment, secrets that I keep. Sometimes you get that worried look, a shadow in your eyes, like you're questioning the feelings hidden in these quiet skies. You whisper low, you okay? Is everything alright? As if my love could vanish somewhere in the fading night. Oh, I love you more than sunny days that chase the clouds away, more than any easy moment, more than words could ever say. I love you when we're laughing loud and when the tears run true. Darling, more than you might know it, yeah, I really do love you. More than you might know it, I do. Remember Tuesday.
So ek het nooit geweet dat ons first date my laaste sal wees en as ook die begin van ons nuwe lewe sou wees nie. Jy lyk baie pragtig vanaand en verbeter kon ek nie vra nie. Het jy vandag aangestap kom, kon ek nie my oë glo oor die mooi dame wat die Here vir my gegee het.
Ruffled feathers, they don't change the core, they just make the making up mean that much more. Yeah, I love you more than sunny days that chase the clouds away, more than any easy moment, more than words could ever say. I love you when we're laughing loud and when the
Aubrey,
tears run true. Darling,
jy kan jou bruid soen.
yeah, I really do. More than you know I do. I see the way you try so hard, the kindness that you show, the little things you do for me, you think I don't quite know, like warming up my side of bed or saving me the last bite. You paint my gray days colorful, you make the darkness bright, and maybe I don't say it every second, it's true, but every single beat of my heart beats for you. So please don't doubt this feeling, steady as a drum. It was here when we began this, it'll be here years to come. It's in the morning coffee, in the drive, safe text I send. It's my favorite beginning and my favorite story's end. It's not about perfection or pretending we won't fray. It's about loving who you are more every single day. And maybe words fall short sometimes, they tangle and they bend. But look beyond the surface, darling, try to comprehend. This love's not built on moments fleeting, shiny, new and bold. It's a story in the making, worth much more than gold. It's growing every day. Oh, I love you more than sunny days that chase the clouds away, more than any easy moment, more than words could ever say. I love you when we're laughing loud and when the tears run true. Darling, more than you might know it, yeah, I really do love you.
PS, wit pas mooi by jou as ook die van Louise.
Yeah, I really do love you.